Welcome to Konem Private Limited, your automation partner in assembly line automation and test benches. Introducing the Btms assembly line automation, a cutting-edge solution developed by Konem Private Limited to enhance efficiency and precision in manufacturing processes. Explore the Btms controllers, available in 5 kilowatts and 1 kilowatt variants, engineered to meet diverse power needs. Designed for efficient cooling, they ensure reliable thermal management for electric vehicles. The block diagram provides a detailed overview of the Btms unit's components and their interconnections, ensuring seamless operation and control. Gain insights into the machine's layout with our comprehensive overview, highlighting key components and their spatial arrangement. The flow diagram illustrates the step-by-step process of the Btms system, from initial testing to final data storage, ensuring quality and efficiency. Our testing specifications cover a range of parameters, all accessible via the CAN channel from Btms, ensuring thorough and precise evaluations. This is the video demonstration of the assembly line automation. Delve into the machine specifications, including gas charging equipment, barcode systems, and power supply details, to understand the system's capabilities. Discover more about the LV power supply, coolant tank features, and plumbing specifications, designed for optimal performance and reliability. Thank you for your interest in Konem Private Limited, your partner in next-gen Btms assembly solutions. For more information, feel free to contact us via email and phone. Think automation. Think Konem.